In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Gocrypto account easily and safely. Step 1. Open the Gocrypto app. Launch the Gocrypto app on your phone or go to their website. Log in with your credentials. Step 2. Go to Wallet or Balance section. Navigate to the Wallet or Balance tab where your funds are stored. Step 3. Select Withdraw. Tap on the Withdraw button. Choose the currency or crypto you want to withdraw. Step 4. Enter withdrawal details. Enter the withdrawal address or bank details depending on the withdrawal method. Double-check the address carefully to avoid mistakes. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review all details and confirm the withdrawal request. You may be asked to verify via email, SMS, or 2FA, two-factor authentication. Complete that step. Step 6. Wait for processing. Withdrawals can take some time depending on the method and network congestion. You'll get a confirmation notification once your withdrawal is successful. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials.